as we go into the weekend, although there are some changes ahead. Now, the Max Track has occasionally been showing some showers popping up this morning. We've got a little bit of development down towards Campbellsville. Had a lone shower cruising there and a hint of a shower or two trying to take hold into our eastern counties there. You can just start to see those popping up. So, yeah, a little bit of activity this morning, but the main wave will come in this afternoon. Low pressure up across Wisconsin. Showers and storms descending down through Indy this morning. The severe threat off to the west today and tomorrow, but by Sunday, we do have this marginal risk for severe storms, which means the end of the weekend, we've got active weather on the way as well. This is tropical. This wave of low pressure off the east coast is Faye. It became Tropical Storm Faye yesterday, the earliest sixth named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season on record. And it is currently a tropical storm, winds 50 miles per hour, and it's going to run up the coast and cause all kinds of issues with flooding, heavy rain, battered by wind, and as well as a little bit of storm surge there. And possibly even going ashore late today and into tomorrow somewhere farther north. So as far as what's going on here at home, we've got this prefrontal trough, little ripple of low pressure that will spark some showers and thunder showers this afternoon. The actual boundary, the frontal boundary, the cool front, tries to get in here overnight and tomorrow morning and doesn't look like it's going to actually do it. I was hoping yesterday we could get it to clear the Commonwealth and help cut the heat and humidity a little more substantially. We will see a difference in it, but it's going to push back north by Saturday, and then by the end of the weekend, a round of storms washing out Sunday morning. A few of those may hang on, but then the main wave gets going as you go into your Sunday afternoon as low pressure approaches. Some of these may have a slightly better chance of being on the strong to severe side. Sun's coming up. Temperature is still up at 72 degrees, and we've got pretty muggy air in place. So, yeah, it's going to be a hot and steamy start to the weekend. The summer heat that's entrenched across the deep south, you've got excessive heat warnings across Southern California, southern parts of Arizona, heat advisories, New Mexico, Texas, all the way over the panhandle of Florida. And that big ridge of heat that I've been talking about this week that's going to send highs up into, well, triple digits, 110 to maybe 120 in the desert southwest. It starts to transition east. So by next week, toward the middle of next week, we may have a big heat dome clamping down, which would have an impact on our temperatures. You can see from Friday into the weekend as that active weather in that front come at us will cool down to around or maybe even slightly below average in some spots. But you can just start to see that above normal heat building by the middle of next week, and it is definitely reflected in your 8-day. Unlike the hot and muggy and unsettled conditions we've had this week, next week we're talking hot and dry stuff with that big high clamping down. So no relief from showers and storms and highs potentially edging into the low to even mid-90s.